Kaizer Chiefs played Utrecht FC and they lost by 4-0. And among my fans at Kaizer Chiefs are mad right now. And it's fine, it's their right to be mad. But I want to elaborate something on Kaizer Chiefs fans. And also, guys, please don't panic. It's just friendly games. So, and also we'll be analyzing performances by the new players, the new signings. You know what I'm talking about. So, asingamoshi isikhathi and jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa be. Talking about indaba eyishisa be. Before ngilethela kuzona guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down below ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani nge-content engizonika yona. I'm Manqoba Ngcobo, your host all the way from a great town. So, Kaizer Chiefs Friday idlale Utrecht FC and they lost 4-0, and most of Kaizer Chiefs fans are mad, right? Because we lost 4-0. But most of Kaizer Chiefs fans, they don't know the fact that Utrecht FC is in the top 4 of the teams in the Netherlands at the Avies League. They finished 4th last season. They managed to beat Ajax Amsterdam 4-0 last season. This is a team who also plays in a Europa League. So guys, stop panicking. We're playing against not a better team than us, an excellent team than us, a European team with quality players and quality strategies whatsoever. So this team is one of the biggest teams in Europe because Avies is in the top 10 league and they finished 4th. So guys, there's no need to panic. And the sad thing is that my fans, the Kaizer Chiefs, bathuka badala. When you scroll down kuma comment section lapha Kaizer Chiefs post, bathuka badala and say that and that and that, and no babukela igame ngenhliziyo and not analyzing what is happening on the field. Guys, we need to support our guys. Ilento engihlezi ngisho, if you support Kaizer Chiefs just nje, then you are not a real Kaizer Chiefs supporter. Thina i-Kaizer Chiefs sayithanda, iphila kuthina, it's part of our lives. So criticizing our players, siyazi ukuthi enzani kubona, enzani futhi nakwi-team enkulu njenge-Kaizer Chiefs, and futhi yenzani kwamanye ama-teams akhona le South Africa, ama-neighbours wethu, Orlando Pirates and also Mamelodi Sundowns. We know ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns fans and Orlando Pirates fans, they comment on our post and post bad things about Kaizer Chiefs. And we, as Kaizer Chiefs fans, we always like, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, better. Umsangano. Hi, guys, let's support the guys. Let me make an example. If you are married with your wife or your husband, makufika iy'khathi ezimbi, uyamyeka umthuke uthi hayi, noma ubhale ngaye enkundleni uthi hayi uyabheda ufazi wami. No, hlala naye, uhlale khona kunjalo and fix problems together. Nasi lento ekumele siyenze, and communicate with our club ngendlela right. Do not demotivate our players and sehlise isithunzi seclub yethu. Kaizer Chiefs is becoming a joke kancane kancane, and thina ama-fans Kaizer Chiefs, we are playing a big part of that. I-Kaizer Chiefs ibe ijoke eSouth Africa. If isijoka kabi, isikhuluma kabi nge-Kaizer Chiefs, the other teams, other supporters, they are happy, guys. Senza amanye ama-supporters usaba happy, siyawa-motivator, and they always come to Kaizer Chiefs pages and comment whatever they comment, and you guys, us, we support them and sivume yonke into abayisho ukuthi vele uNabi kumele ehambe, uNabi uyabheda. Guys, if you know football, you will see what is happening in the Kaizer Chiefs right now compared to the seasons that we are coming from. If ubuzobuka igame le esiphuma kuyona esadliwa khona ngo-2-1, the first half we played good. We were able to combine the play. We were able to play from the back. Yonke into laphana guys siyofunda lapha esikhona eNetherlands. Siyofunda kuma mistakes. Sibone ukuthi kuxega kuphi and then silungise. So if thina sibagxeka right now, the new players and the youngsters, bafile kanjani if they come here South Africa? They will feel like they've disappointed us dismally. Ingakaqali ngisho nanesizini. Nothi iqala isizini ama-player wasakwazi ukudlala are demotivated by us. Exclaim ukuthi we love Kaizer Chiefs. Guys, if you don't love Kaizer Chiefs, go join Sundowns and support them, because this is a family, guys. We need to support each other. We support the team and they support us back. If we kill our players, thina amanye ama-fans azowayekelana ukuthuka ama-players if thina singakwazi ukuwavikela. You can guys go in the comment section of Kaizer Chiefs. You will see lots of negative comments. Come on, guys. Let's support our guys, especially those new ones. They are trying to adjust to the team, and these young ones, they are also adjusting to the senior team. So, guys, stop criticizing our players before we even start the league. Kaizer Chiefs isenzela umusa ngokuthi isivezela ama-games. They weren't supposed to show us the games because this is what will happen. Le nto eyenzakayo manje yiyo. Kungcono ukuzwa ngey'ndaba ngama-rumors ngoba suke singekho sure ukuthi kwenzakalani. Singayibuki igame. This thing, Kaizer Chiefs should just cut off televising or broadcasting ama-games ku-YouTube, because ama-fans of Kaizer Chiefs, they just demotivate they destroy our players for no reason. Guys, it's not like we are playing a CAF Champions League right now. We are building. Coach Nab wants to see something. As you can see, first half plays full scheme. Second half, we are changing the whole team, because ufuna ukubona ukuthi unawo team B no team A, yabo, because we have many competition in the upcoming season. Guys, ngiyanicela, let's support our guys, support our coach, and let him feel at home. Ucoach ngeke usazosaba ngisho nokwenza iphutha elincane, because uyazi ukuthi ama-fans e-Chiefs are like this. Ama-player amancane lawa asakhula kwi-team, angena kwi-team azosaba ukwenza amaphutha, because ayazi ukuthi one mistake Kaizer Chiefs fans destroy. Even the new players, they will feel like they are not welcome. Guys, let's stop this thing of demotivating our players. Yes, I've said it. Stop it, guys, and support our team with our hearts, not by emotions. Yes, emotions are there, but if into it under from the heart, deep down from the heart, it's easy to forgive and forget about the bad things that have happened. So, guys, going forward, let's just support our team as they will play on Saturday another match, and they must also lose this match because they are tired, guys. We just had a match and we will have another match. So, guys, Judging our players by the results won't be is not a good thing. Let's look at the play, the way they play, the way they combine, what is happening, who's doing what. Then you will see what is happening at Kaizer Chiefs right now. But if you will judge them by the 4-0, no, you won't see anything nice about Coach Nabi or our new signings. And more criticism is going Kumfana Usilva. Guys, give the guy his cards. Let him adjust to the team. Let him play with someone who can create opportunities for him. Someone like Sereno or who else who can, maybe Cheslet. Guys, let's do not judge these guys. They are new guys, and badlala i-preseason. It's not like badlala an official game. Let's support them. Ilokho ebengifuna ukusho namhlanje, I had no transfer rumors or any updates. It was just that a statement ukuthi bafethu, let's support our guys. Stop criticizing them before they even play official matches. So guys, please do comment down below with our new signings, with the performance, not the results, the performance of the team in the first half especially. Tell me ukuthi ucabangani ngaleyo performance, and comment and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Ngizonibona ngevideo ezayo. Sure.